I hate seafood and I particularly hate prawns. Prawns are just a weird looking thing. It doesn't really taste of anything. The texture is meaty, but it's just sort of unpleasant.
If I presented you just plain prawns now,
It would be traumatic for me.
it's your lucky day because I have some right here.
It's just, you see this? What's this little...
The tail.
Yeah, what's that about? All right. Oh, right.
Not feeling it.
No. Just really disgusting.
So do you think I will be able to change your mind about prawns today?
No, definitely not.
Well,
really.
that is my mission.
Well, good luck. You go for it, Chloe. Get in there.
So to change Jack's mind, I'm going to make a smoky prawn and chorizo dish. I am just going to cut up the prawns. Jack doesn't like the texture and little curly tails freak him out. This is going to take that away for him. Got about 4 tablespoons of olive oil starting to warm up, so I'm going to go in there with the onions. And then I've got 4 really fat, juicy garlic cloves, just finely chopped. Smoked paprika. I just want a little bit of spice, so I'm just going to do a little pinch of cayenne pepper. And then chorizo. So I've just got the pan on a low heat because I just want to slowly cook this down. I want them to get nice and sweet and juicy and all the flavours to slowly come together. I'm just going to let this sizzle for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to do the wine. So I'm going to pair the dish with a beautiful Chardonnay wine. This wine is really, really buttery and it's perfect with fish. So let's just taste it. That's so good. He's gonna love it. Prawns are going in next. Then we're gonna do a big squeeze of lemon, parsley. I'm gonna season it with a bit of salt and pepper. And prawns, they cook so quickly. I think people get scared cooking seafood, but the thing is, it's so quick and easy. As soon as they turn pink, they're done. Start to finish with prep. I reckon you could get this done in like 15 minutes. Let's serve up. And this is finished, so let's go and see what he thinks. So, here we are, Jack.
Okay.
We have Spanish style king prawns and chorizo
Wow.
with Chardonnay wine. It's just gonna make the whole prawn experience hopefully perfect.
Oh, finally. Can I sniff?
Yeah, smell it, see what you think.
Not great, I'll be
No?
honest. It smells a little bit fishy.
Okay.
Let's give it a go. It's got a big mouthful. All right, here we go.
He's not gagging and he's not screwed his face, so yeah, so that's good.
It's really nice. I'm astonished,
Yeah.
but let me see.
Yeah,
Let's
have a
get
glass of
some
wine.
this buttery wine down there. Oh, that's really cleansed the palate as
Yeah.
well, I'll tell you that. It's really nice. I'm genuinely impressed by it. It doesn't look like a little animal so much anymore. The chorizo and the cayenne pepper sort of balance the prawns out a little bit.
The best bit is getting the bread and mopping up all the oils and the garlic.
You're right, it's very nice.
And he's going for the wine again. Would you say we've changed your mind today then?
Wow, I don't know. If I had this, yes, but in any other context, I'm still wary. But with this, with the chorizo, I think you have changed my mind.
Amazing. See, it's about the whole experience.
It really is.
Perfect. Mission accomplished.